Advertisement. Continue reading below. And Kim Woodburn and Coleen Nolan were reunited on Wednesday's August 29th episode of Loose Women. It made for uncomfortable viewing. It turns out thousands of viewers found their on-air argument about their celebrity Big Brother feud difficult to watch. After initial reports said Ofcom had received over 400 complaints about the clash, the watchdog confirmed to Digital Spy that there had been 3,297 complaints by Thursday morning. "We are assessing these complaints against our broadcasting rules, before deciding whether or not to investigate," a spokesperson commented. It's thought that the majority of these grievances were related to the way Coleen and her fellow panelists, Linda Nolan, Janet Street Porter and Linda Robson, treated Kim during the segment, which eventually saw Kim storm off of the set as the producer cut to a commercial break. While the pair didn't exactly get on during their time in the CBB house last year, their exchange on the chat show got off to a bad start, with Kim saying to Coleen, "You wanted me here. What have you got to say? I didn't ask to come here." Kim has since told The Sun that she felt she was ambushed, alleging that she was told that each party would get a chance to speak without being interrupted or shouted down, and now wants to see Coleen fired. "It was like a circus and I was there for some cruel entertainment. I want Coleen and her sister fired," she told the newspaper. "They could have stopped that show. The one who had the ear mic could have stopped it. But they did nothing to curb it. I was shown cruelty again by that woman. I'm embarrassed once again. And I've cried on TV once again." A Loose Women spokesperson has responded to claims that Kim wasn't briefed about the format. Kim agreed to come onto the panel today at the invitation of the producers on the understanding it was for reconciliation with Coleen. Kim becoming upset was never the intention, and the panel did endeavor to comfort her. She was offered counseling after the show, which she declined, a spokesperson for Coleen Nolan tweeted. For clarity, Coleen did not ask for Kim Woodburn to come on the show nor ask to be reunited with her. Loose Women organized the show. Coleen has no say in their choice of guests. Coleen stayed as calm as possible whilst being insulted live on air, which was incredibly unpleasant. Loose Women airs weekdays from 12:30 p.m. on ITV. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.